So hello, we were doing the complete course for SEBI and we have already completed general awareness for our phase 1 paper 1, in which we have already completed our survey, budget, important report and indices, some schemes, at the same time current affairs related to SEBI, RBI and banking. More current affairs will be covered in our yearly magazine, which will have everything from January 2025 to December 2025. And the current affairs in this magazine is going to be like, for recent months, the current affairs are going to be more, because firstly, recent months are important for exams, previous 5-6 months, and if we go backwards from December to January, then the oldest months will be less relevant for our exam. So only important details are taken from that. For example, schemes, some important MOUs, some defense exercises, some important book obituaries or days and their themes. So everything is covered very comprehensively. That is your national and international awards, indices, schemes, and so on, and it is going to be very helpful for you for all the competitive exams. So you can have a look on the Telegram. At the same time, 2000 question series is also live for SEBI, so don't miss it. Now coming back to our IT, we have already completed first chapter. Now coming to IT, in this we'll take chapter 2, that is SQL Queries. We have already completed chapter 1, that is database concept, जिसमें हमने देखा था about DBMS, about ER models, then normal form, 2NF, 3NF, BCNF is stronger than 3NF. All of these things are very important, asset properties and some PYQs and questions. And you will get this PDF as well as the other important PDFs related to this exam as well as the other exams on the Telegram. Now in this also the conduct is going to be the same. First we'll take the entire theory of SQL. After that we'll take some of the previous year questions from this chapter. Then we'll take some important MCQs. And then finally we'll come to our flashcard or our expected question or our revision. So let's start with our chapter 2, that is SQL Queries. So first of all, introduction to SQL. What is it? So what is SQL? SQL is structured query language. Is a standard language used to access data, manipulate data, define database structure, control access to data. What? First of all, access data, manipulate if you want to make any changes in the data. So for that, define database structure, database, and then control access to data. जो भी आपने बनाया database उसका control. So that is control access to data. Used with relational database management system, that is RDBMS. Categories of SQL structured query language commands. DDL is data definition language. DML is data manipulation language. DCL is data control language, and TCL is transaction control language. So all of these are very important. Now data definition language, DDL. So DDL commands define and modify database schema, that is database table. क्या define and modify. Then create, used to create databases objects like tables, views, indexes. Example is create table with attributes, data types or constraints. Alter, used to modify structure of an existing table. One table is there, उसमें you have to alter something, so the word for that is ALTER, that is alter. Operations, add column, modify column, drop column. Then drop is used to delete entire table or object. If there is a table, so for deleting everything from that, deleting the entire table, you use the word drop. So drop is delete entire table or object. Structure and data both removed. ठीक है, structure will also not be there. Not only data, structure as well as data will be removed. Cannot be rolled back normally. So that is your drop. Then truncate is very important. Removes all rows from table. Structure remains faster than delete. Cannot use where clause, minimal logging. So where clause cannot be used. You cannot put any condition that where this is equal to this or something like that. Faster than delete. So truncate is faster than delete. At the same time, in the last we have seen what structure as well as the जो भी data है उसमें that will be removed. But in truncate removes all rows from table but structure remains. So difference between alter, drop, delete, truncate, all of these are very important. So you will tell me what is the difference among these four. What? Drop, delete, truncate and alter. Then truncate versus delete, very important feature. So type DML and DDL for truncate. Where clause can be used. So in case of delete yes, in truncate no. Rollback is possible or not. So in delete it's possible, in truncate it is not possible. Speed is slower in case of delete but faster in case of truncate. Logging, so full in delete and minimal for truncate. Then data manipulation language, so insert, adds new rows into table. So for example select asterisk from table जो भी नाम है, insert employee ID and उसमें जो भी आपको वैल्यू डालनी है, so that is your insert, add new rows into a table, so that is data manipulation language, can insert single row, multiple rows, selected data from another table. Then update is modifies existing record, where clause controls which rows are affected. So for what modifies existing record is update, and where clause controls which rows are affected. So in where you will write the condition where employee ID is 3. ठीक है, in employee ID 3 you are updating something, so that is in update you will use where clause which will control ki which row is affected, which row is to be updated. Then delete removes rows from table, where clause optional, without where delete all rows, but if you'll put where this, for example some value is there और आपने डाल दिया, so that row will be deleted. So removes rows from table. Then select statement, core of SQL, very important. As I said, select something, for example table name, और select employee name from जो भी table का नाम है, और select star from table name. तो select star from table name is, star is for everything, selecting everything. Then used to retrieve data from one or more tables is select syntax, SELECT. Core clause are select from where group by having an order by. So select star from table school, where आपने डाल दिया कि जो भी रोल नंबर है इज इक्वल टू 5 and उसमें you can do some operations. So all of these are very important. Select from where group by having an order by. Execution order will be first from, then where group by having select and order by. Very important. Execution order. Then where clause, filter rows based on conditions. Operators are comparison, equal to, greater than, less than, then greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, logical, and, or, on, not. Then spatial is between, in, like, is, and null. Between 20 to 40. Select all the roll numbers between 20 to 40. So all of these are important. Between, in, like, is, null. ठीक है, is null की void है या नहीं है. Aggregate functions operate on a set of value and return a single value. That is aggregate function. Common aggregate functions are count, sum, average, min, or max. When you are putting count, so that thing will add. Sum, add. Then average is, it will give you the average of जो भी उसमें values हैं. Min, तो that will select the minimum value from जो भी आपका set है. Max is select maximum value. Count will count जो भी values हैं वो. Sum से add हो, average से उसका average दिया, min से minimum, and max से maximum. Very important. Count, sum, average, AVG, MIN, MAX. Then important rules. Aggregate functions ignore null values except count, asterisk. That is for all. Cannot be used directly in where clause. Then group by clauses, groups rows with same values used with aggregate functions. Important rules. Column and select must either be in group by or be inside aggregate functions. किसके लिए? ग्रुप बनाने के लिए. सेम वैल्यू का जो भी है वो ग्रुप बनाने के लिए, तो दैट इज ग्रुप बाय इज यूज, नॉट ओनली ग्रुप बाय. देन हैविंग क्लॉज filters groups, not individual rows, used after group by. So used when conditions involves aggregate functions. Then order by is clause, sorts result set. Default order is ascending, AC is default order. क्या रहेगा? Ascending, that is from smaller to bigger. And another is descending is from bigger to smaller. So यहाँ क्या रहेगा? Ascending. Can specify descending. डिसेंडिंग में भी यू कैन गेट की ऑर्डर बाय किस ऑर्डर में चाहिए आपको. सो DESC इज डिसेंडिंग, फर्स्ट द बिगेस्ट एंड देन मूव टुवर्ड्स द स्मॉलेस्ट, सो दैट इज DESC. एंड ASC इज ascending. Then SQL joins, so inner join returns rows with matching values in both tables. Join is जो भी मैचिंग वैल्यूज़ हैं आपकी, दो टेबल हैं, एक है टेबल स्टूडेंट और एक है टेबल टीचर, तो उनमें जो भी कॉमन है दैट विल बी जॉइंट. सो दैट इज़ योर inner join. Then left outer join, all rows from left table और साथ में मैच रोज विद राइट टेबल. राइट आउटर जॉइन में ऑल रोज फ्रॉम राइट टेबल एंड मैच रोज फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टेबल. ठीक है, क्या होगा? लेफ्ट आउटर जॉइन मतलब लेफ्ट वाला कंप्लीट टेबल एंड साथ में ज्वाइन करेगा क्या, जो भी कॉमन वाला है, मैच रोज फ्रॉम राइट टेबल. राइट आउटर जॉइन में अब ऑपोजिट, राइट वाली का कंप्लीट एंड लेफ्ट वाली का क्या, जो भी मैच रोज है. देन फुल आउटर जॉइन, फुल आउटर जॉइन में ऑल मैचिंग प्लस नॉन मैचिंग रोज फ्रॉम बोथ टेबल्स. फॉर एग्जांपल सम आर मैचिंग, सो मैचिंग जो भी हैं वो दोनों टेबल से वो भी, एंड जो नहीं है वो सारी भी. सो दैट इज फुल आउटर join. Inner versus outer join, so inner join is only matching rows and outer join is matching and non-matching rows. So very important, as I said, favorite questions, versus, comparison, all of these. Then subqueries. What is subquery? Query inside another query is subquery. Then can be used in select where from, as we will see nested loop as well. Loop inside loop is nested loop. लूप के अंदर जब आप लूप डाल दो, ठीक है, फॉर इंट आई इज इक्वल टू 1, आई लेस देन 5, आई प्लस प्लस, एंड फिर इसके अंदर आपने डाल दिया कुछ और, फिर आपने कुछ डाल दिया, दैट इज नेस्टेड क्वेरी इज नेस्टेड लूप. देन सेलेक्ट वेयर एंड फ्रॉम आर यूज्ड इन दिस टाइप्स: सिंगल रो सब क्वेरी, मल्टी रो सब क्वेरी एंड कोरिलेटेड सब क्वेरी. Then set operations are union, that is combined results of two selects, removes duplicates. Then union all, combines results and duplicate को भी रखेगा, keep duplicate. So what is the difference between union all and union? Union all and union में difference is ये की रखेगा duplicates को भी, एंड यूनियन क्या रखेगा, रिमूव कर देगा जो भी duplicates होंगे उन्हें और combine कर देगा वैसे. देन इंटरसेक्ट, कॉमन रोज बिटवीन टू रिजल्ट सेट्स, जो हमने बात की, दिस इज वन सेट, दिस इज अनदर सेट, एंड उसके बीच में जो भी कॉमन है, सो दैट इज इंटरसेक्ट. जो भी वैल्यूज कॉमन है उनको ले लेगा, सो दैट इज इंटरसेक्ट. एक्सेप्ट और माइनस, सो रोज प्रेजेंट इन फर्स्ट बट नॉट इन सेकेंड. देन व्यूज, so view is virtual table hosted on select query, stores query not data. Advantages are security, simplifications and data abstraction. Then nested queries versus join, so joins are generally more efficient. Subqueries improve readability in some cases. So very soon we'll be starting several technical courses as well, so stay tuned for that, as well as you will get certifications for the same. Then previous year questions, very important for us. Which SQL clause is used to filter groups? Groups में क्या हम use करते हैं? Having. Where filters rows, having filters groups. Then which SQL command removes all rows but keeps structure? Structure रख देगा but rows सब delete कर देगा, so truncate. Then which join returns only matching rows? Matching rows inner join. Outer join में दोनों दे देगा, जो मैच नहीं कर रही वो भी. Then which functions counts null values? Count asterisks. So count column ignores nulls. Then execution order of structured query language, query starts with from clause. Now some of the practice MCQs, very important. Which command is DDL? Create. Delete without where will delete all rows. ठीक है, if you are deleting without putting where clause, that what is the condition, किस चीज़ को delete करना है, if you are not putting it तो delete all rows. Then having is used with, जो हमने देखा था in the starting as well, having is used with group by. Which join returns unmatched rows also? Outer join. टेबल का जो कॉमन है वो एज वेल एज जो कॉमन नहीं है दोनों टेबल में वो भी, सो दैट इज आउटर जॉइन. अग्रीगेट फंक्शंस आर यूज्ड विद ग्रुप बाय. ट्रंकेट इज फास्टर बिकॉज मिनिमल लॉगिंग. यूनियन रिमूव्स डुप्लीकेट रोज. काउंट कॉलम इग्नोर्स नल वैल्यूज. देन सब क्वेरी इनसाइड वेयर इज नेस्टेड क्वेरी. व्यू स्टोर्स क्वेरी डेफिनेशन. ऑर्डर बाय डिफॉल्ट ऑर्डर असेंडिंग. हमने देखा था डिफॉल्ट ऑर्डर क्या होगा, ऑर्डर बाय मीन्स ascending, and DESC and ASC ascending, descending. Then right join keeps all rows from right table. Group by groups row based on column values. Except shows difference of sets. Alter modifies table structure. Join condition is specified using on. Aggregate functions cannot be used in where. Subquery returning multiple rows uses in. Truncate can be rolled back No. Then SQL is which declarative language? So in the starting we have seen a lot of languages. So out of those, structured query language is a declarative language. Then our flashcards or our expected question or our revision. SQL, structured query language. Query language. DDL, data definition languages, schema definition. DML, data manipulation languages, data manipulation. Truncate is fast delete. Delete is conditional delete, where you'll put where and then some condition. Select is data retrieval, where row filter. Then group by is group rows, having filter groups. Inner join, matching rows only from both the tables in case of inner join. Outer join, all rows. The matching rows as well as the unmatched rows from both the tables is what outer join is. Subquery, query inside query is subquery. Then union is combine results. View is virtual table. Order by is sorting. So that's it in this. You will find this PDF as well as the other important PDFs on the Telegram related to this exam as well as the other exams. So stay tuned for that, and that's it in this. All the very best and thank you.